So, hello guys! Assalamualaikum. So, ito yung ginawa kong merag rubian. So, ayan guys. Ito ay napakasarap. So, ayan. So, diba? So, itsura pa lang. Yum-yum na. So, ayan. So, ito guys is hipon. So, ito yung ginawa ko, hipon, today for lunch. So, ito is napakasarap guys. So, grabe. So, tikman natin. So, ayan. Ayan guys, so may okra, may hipon. So, okra at hipon. So, ayan, pinaghalo. So, ayan, napakasarap. So, tamang-tama ang timpla. Diba? Ito guys, napakasarap talaga. Hipon to eh. At saka okra. So, ayan. So, ayan siya guys. So, thank you for watching and have a nice day.